Alright viewers, welcome to a lovely Friday evening up the local, and it's not quite new bike day, it's new GoPro day. So here we're running the Hero 11. Should be a little bit better than the 8 I used to run. On the lip. All right, we'll do some testing, some different settings, and we'll see how it looks out. Okay, hyper view now with wind reduction off. I mean wind reduction on. Oh, didn't find there. I'm expecting it to look faster. Whoa! On the hyper view. I mean, up there it wasn't particularly much faster. Don't mess up the line. Ah! And there as well. I feel like I need some stabilisation, not just the camera. Oh, the mosquitoes are out in full force today, I'll tell you that. Right, for something a bit tighter, not hugely tight. So I look back at the footage again, and it's looking pretty good coming out of the hyperview mode. You can definitely see there's more capture on top of the bottom. And it does give the illusion that you're going a bit quicker, which, you know, I don't exactly mind. So, good for me, I guess. Ah! That's a bit squiffy. Okay, on to the next one. Oh, a bit soft there. Actually turned that time, good. Right, so I had a view of the footage, and it looks pretty good. I had the camera a bit too angled down, so let's see how this comes out. Oh, it's always so fun. Oh, blown out. And the compression. On the gas. Blown out corner. You can never ride that smoothly. Don't know why. Just a major skill issue on my part. Okay, right, that's super view. Time to run that on hyper view, and we'll compare the difference. Okay, here we are, same track, same angle, but hyper view this time. See how it comes out. As I said previously, I expect it to come out looking much faster because it's just a wider angle. I believe ultimately it's the same file, not same file, aspect ratio, but the GoPro uses all 8/7 of its squarish sensor, better that time, and it compresses the 8:7 aspect ratio full sensor image into 16:9, which is why the framing of the shot looks the same. Oh, I wonder how that turned out. Okay viewers, we'll leave it in hyperview and see how it looks on this next track. It's my favourite track. Getting the full run in. Fine choice. Shift the gear on the pedals. And then it's just a case of trying to hold on. Ah! Rubbish! Not rubbish, but just not spectacular. Nice. Such a good track. Right, a bit of a steeper one, but the GoPro said it was running out of battery, so time to get some actual OEM GoPro batteries and get to the woods again, I think, because so far I think the footage has come out pretty good. Good turny track.